around about 12 inches. Concentrate on the gap. Yeah, that's good. Well done. Concentrate on the gap between your hands. Taking a really relaxing deep breath. Gently let the deep breath out. This is what we will do at the start of the show. We all done with this. Nice to see you, sir. The second thing we will do, number 2, you will put your hands together. You will start rubbing your, not just yet, madam, you're a bit keen. You'll put your hands together, you'll start rubbing your hands vigorously on not yet, sir. On number 2, not until number 2. 2, hands together for me. Stop now, that's it, 2. Start rubbing your hands vigorously. 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 Vigorously, sir. Just a little bit quick, that's it, you're doing good, sir. Doing wonderful. Now the aim of this is to get the palms of your hands really, really warm. The aim of this is to get the palms of the hands really warm. Once the palms of your hands are really warm, we can move on to number 3. Number 3 is really simple. Number 3, you imagine before you came to today's show, you broke something rather precious and you've been using. I've started it with furniture removing. Thank you, sir. Right. Keep rubbing your hands, keep rubbing your hands. Number 3, you will imagine for me that before you came to the show this evening, you broke something rather precious. You've been using super glue. I want you to imagine you've got super glue on the palms of your hands. You've got super glue between your fingers. On number 3, interlock your fingers together for me like so. Press the palms of your hands tightly together. Number 3 now, do that for me, madam. Hands tightly together. And imagine for me, you've been using that glue. That glue has started to stick your hands together. Your hands will become tighter and tighter. And as I talk, your hands will lock together, bond together, super glue together. They'll get tighter and tighter. Some of you may notice your hands will shake a little bit. This is nothing to worry about at all. Just means that you've got a great imagination. So, that's how the show starts. Any questions? Most of you now, on the count of 3, will be able to undo your hands. Some of you will find it a little bit difficult.